Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I am quickly popping in here on my phone to talk about one of my new favorite lip products. So I'm not sure if I've mentioned it here on my channel yet or not, but I'm actually doing my externship for the medical assisting program, which means I'm working in a doctor's office. And if you guys have been to doctor's offices or to hospitals, you guys know how dry the air is. And I'm actually partnering up with the company Fresh to talk about their hydrating lip balms. Let me tell you, now that I'm working in healthcare and I'm in a really dry environment, my lips have been so cracked and so dry, along with my hands from the amount of hand sanitizer and washing I do. And these have been a lifesaver. I have two of the flavors. I have the peach one and I also have the lemon one. This is just what the product itself looks like, and I really like that it's in a pot, not just a stick. Some people think that's unsanitary. However, if you're cleaning your hands and then using it, I think it's fine. And in each of these, you get 6 grams worth of product, and they are super duper hydrating, just like the name suggests. During the first week or two of my externship, my lips were so cracked and so dry. My lips literally looked as if it was winter outside, but it's clearly not. Since they have made such a big difference, I did want to come on here and let you guys know, because I am sure a bunch of you who follow me on my channel are in healthcare as well and may have the same issue as I have with the dry lips. And if you do, I cannot recommend these enough. I used to just use like regular chapsticks, like the Blistex ones or the chapstick brand ones or Carmex. However, none of those can compare to the hydration that these ones have. If I had to choose a favorite one, it would definitely be the peach. I'm definitely a big peach person. So that's all I have to say for today's video. If you guys have favorites from Fresh, let me know down below what they are, because I definitely want to try more of their products now that I've tried these lip balms. And if you guys have tried these lip balms and love them just as much as I do, let me know in the comments down below and let me know what your favorite flavor one is. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!